Nag-order siya ng Paris. So, first time niyang titikman yung Paris ng Pilipino. Gusto niya daw matikman. So, nilagyan ni Kuya ng mga seasoning doon na maraming sili. So, yan yung Paris.
Yeah, maraming sili.
Take out. Ano yan, Kuya? Tatlo, ha?
Tatlo po.
Oo. Yung dalawa, walang anghang. Yung yan lang sa kanya, yung ibukod mong manghang. Dagdagan mo pa yung sili niya. Guys, pinadagdagan ko yung sili niya kasi gusto niya talaga yung sobrang anghang.
So what is it?
Vinegar.
That's pepper sauce, right? Guys, we are outside today. Okay, guys, we are outside today. We're trying to get some street food outside that we can satisfy our desire. So you guys follow us and see what we're going to carry on here tonight. We got a lot of street food here. I'm marrying a smell. So look at me.
So ayun, pinaglalagyan nila ng marami talagang sili.
This one, it looks like palm oil, coconut oil. There's a seed in the palm. You bust, and then you pour it. It bring out oil. But I know this different as the same in Africa. Guys, we are going to eat tonight. We're going to eat something. You get some from Malacca?
Yeah, and then for me.
You probably.
I want to try.
No.
Oh, you wait.
Not para the program.
Ayun niya akong pakainin. Gusto niya akong
Not para the
pag-dieting.
program. That me and Malacca enjoy our food. Me and Malacca need to enjoy our food.
How about me? And you getting the video? Always?
Yeah, just be the video person.
Okay. She's laughing on you because because you are getting the video, so shut out. So tuwa-tuwa sila. Ayan. Tama. Okay.
Let's word.
Okay. So, nag-order pa siya ng isang kanin. Isa lang. Isang kanin. Kasi gusto niya daw tikman. So, yung kanin lang, orange, yellow. Yellow pala.
Yellow rice.
Yeah, yellow rice.
Yeah, that's a yellow rice.
Okay.
Oh.
Saan ba tayo? Alak. So, nandito kami guys sa Paris. Dito kami sa area ng Daang Batang. Shout out. Mag-11 na po. Nagutom siya.
11 o'clock we out.
Yeah, she's feeling the hungry.
Very hungry this night. I need to find something to eat. So, guys, join me in the process. Let's eat together. Come on. So, how much you talking about it?
155 pesos. Magkano itong wifi?
How much are you into though?
55.
You asked him. Ito.
Ano yun?
You're not here?
150?
155.
And you need...
Makalo.
Magkano po?
Makalo.
Ano magkano? Magkano? Hindi magkano.
Makalo po.
Magkano po?
Makalo po.
Magkano?
Makano.
Yan. So, I need to buy the balot. Buy the balot. This one. The egg.
Yeah.
Okay. And then you need to try to eat this one.
Kunay.
Yeah. Okay. Okay guys, bibili kami ng balot. So, magkakain siya ng balot ngayong gabi. Titingnan namin. So, ito yung balot. Ang balot. Balot at dinner. Kuya, magkano yung balot? 25. Tatlo po. 75. What do you say?
Salamat.
Salamat. So this one,
Po, matalupo.
magkano po?
Ayun yun. Matalupo.
Magkano?
75. Sana pa magkano.
Pahingi pa ko suka.
So, how many?
75.
Yeah.
3. I buy 3.
How much? How much?
75. 75.
For 3?
Yeah, it's 25 each.
Makano. Makano po. Makano. Ay, makano po. Makano. 75 cents. Sige po.
Sige po. Thank you.
Guys, we outside tonight. Outside tonight. So how you okay now? Everything of course.
Get a chance.
Okay.
Thank you.
Salamat.
So, ito na yung aming binili. Salamat. Hello. This one. No, you putting this one. Pag di mo lang talaga kinain yan. Ah?